Odina kiatho kia mbathidikana nwirigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiriana baku ba ukurubwa miaka 12 kwinama. Meru TV tureje ni ontu bwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uribatara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku, tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ya kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagimia kiatho kia mwana waku na akumwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV, chionere.
Nindi tiarungama thai mwekuma aja nyomba yetu ya NTETO ya Meru TV mwanka arakundiore dene ya kaunti ya Meru na kinya ome ya kaunti ya Meru. Iren tariki 11 mweri ni jwaire mwaka ni jwangiri jire 23 ngetikagia okumba kuthura otindite bwega kankunenkeri tukuthuranirite methene yetu ya NTETO ya Meru TV ogoro bwana arua. Mpuru aburi kugaga tevere kuchokia udhongi bwa kidhomo tigania East.
Kwa mimi nasema kwamba lazima nirundize elimu mahali ilikuwa 2013-2017. Lazima niinue elimu kwa sababu walikuwa wamekataa na elimu.
MCA roirerwa rera gwika kirekaniro na akari muthenya Jonarua.
Gucokia ni MC wetu Felix Kithenji urarungamirite ruirero rera wandi no ntuba twikira muchema ni yetu ajanjo tene omba kumba kuthirwa agiumba gutwariria
nayo njuri nchake yetheraka kuria tongeria baingi wirane bwao kiri akari
tatongeria betu wewe MCA wewe senator taraitha munyekini uyu ende no ntu baraka twina yura ya development uringaringe
ganko gwate ugeni yetu kinyanie ithigithio kiri NTETO chetu mwanka muthiani mbitagwa Nancy Ndogo. Tukiambiria ni ati mubunge wa gicigo mbunge giatigania East Mpuru Aburi na ugite akagita bunde boria omba gukuria kidhomo na kinya kuona ana bachukuru cha mirigo eu ne ba kugita bwega. Mpuru arete jikire mambura ja prize giving day chukuru ya Lailubade na kuringana na riboti ya Aburi ni ati kuma arikwebera obichine ta mubunge mwakene juangiri jire 17 mwankana ndi gutithiritwe na mpumi injega na ruwangiru wa kithomo ntereu ne runyogo kiburu ariugathe na inene ni kuaga weru bwa onto boboku makiri aritani na aritwa ni onto bwa otongeria bodhoki Mpuru na ugite na ndika gita kawe na rimubango jwa gwekera weru aritani ngugene yao na kubama taro magita kuwa magita ende onto bobo ni bwa thingi thukire arikwebera obichine onde ugite amunande we akaririto rurigarwa kumyotigania rurigarwa gite tigania East agategera oria akomba kurita nguge gwa akue na aritani babane kenda bakomba kurita nguge bwega Ebenyene riu
nyuma ya kuona
rekete na kuandikira utongeria bwa chukuru ya St Mary's Baranga wadi ya Karamane ukenda bakaija na kithaka gia chukuru ya Otea na Kinya Obode kirema tuja okaria Mpuru na ugite na rete na thirikari ni ubaga kirwa kambe ya mabidhaa ja GSU gaitika ward ya Mudhara. Andams Mutoria wa Thirinja gatwambiria nacio.
nyuma ya kuona ura kithomo kiumbite kwitha gicoka na mbere ndene gicombo gia tiganisti mubunge wa gicombo gia tiganisti mpurobori akere ntukorwa rekire kiatho kwa na chiwa kira itobora buthite boya kire kero kia mwaka muthuruba cukuru ala Ilubande Secondary School na wete na gitaniritie gutira komba kwithira agicoke kithomo arake ari mwaka 2013 mwaka 2017.
Kwa mimi nasema kwamba lazima nirundize elimu mahali ilikuwa 2013 2017. Lazima niinue elimu kwa sababu walikuwa wamekataa na elimu, wamekuwa special, walikuwa special, hawangefika karibu na mwalimu wala mwanafunzi, na hao ni watu ambao wamesoma. Wakati wangu nilikuwa nimefanya nafasi mingi sana za elimu. Wakati wangu mwezi wa 8 nilikuwa napatia walimu 500,000 wanaenda Mombasa benchmarking, wakirudi hapa wanainua elimu. Lakini wakati mpuro mtu abodi ilipotoka, ilikuwa ni sinda kubwa sana kupata mwalimu, kupata mheshimiwa. Mheshimiwa akiingia mahali anakaa kama mtu ameandikwa sindano, hata asaini visitors book, hata ana shughuli yoyote.
Kaije no kumpura bodi no bete kwitha gitumiria ja komba kwithira kitene ngoi kwa kwi muno na thomi amwe na arimu ba gicombo gia tiganisti kenda utira ba komba kwithira ba ukire kithomo ki
antu betu angu ndo choke kithomo ala kiare na ntaruniza kwa lazima koinya utemchedhoreo na uwe mwana wako thoma koinya utasoma kwa lazima. Education is an equalizer. Hakuna kitu kingine maana kusinda elimu. Kithomo muroke mtoro thomi na mtoje thomo ni bibio. Kwa mimi na support walimu na mko na support yangu. You have my support 100%. And I'll continue supporting you guys. Ngeni lobo support. Bila kurudi nyuma. Na nkabudhikira kwamba mkiniita nitakuwa nawasikiza. Na ngatoko yake babu. No wata mtonkera. Musiniogope. Hunde special. Ndia ninka na kale gakwa. Ketha ibaba ngere ba kuku mara bukwenga ngwa bana bukudhidwa. Hakuna. Oi muyumbe wenwojo mpuronto aburi ora bware nwe 2013 2017 muyumbe ora buvikaira muyumbe utangwe na babwe na
akabobotani mpura bodi no bete kwithira gitumiria tinarikite kumba kwithira kiromba kambe oritania mabisa ba GSU kambira rigiri kumba kwithira ya korondo muthara kenda muno kumba kwithinya kinia mantu ya iyo waga kuboka dintere yi.
Number 2, indaro mbere training school ya GSU kaboni mantu na onne murombi indaro mbere training school ya GSU na barato enwe ya kutoromba tuba yake thaka turenda rwandaro tuwe GSU kwa ibo kwa nabo tuenda barta naro na uringanyamo ibo mbikera turenda rwandaro GSU area yako na ito kuromba GSU ngiakora ruto rwareta lea turare na miona loi ngara na kedura gende na miona loi konji GSU itukuromba kithaka tunenkana kithaka kera bakataniro baka baita kurutanirwa na tukaria na tongoria nikenda bamenye inaba baikia
oriro ringi mpura bori gitumiria tini taratharite komba kwithira gitira thukuru karama technical training institute komba kwithira ya kwa tukurera gwe komba kwithira ya kontere chambaranga kwina skuru ya St Mary's.
Number 3 mutigere bamno technical ya LV KMTC indandikere barwa itarombi rwari ruwo rwarembio indandikere barwa nandatumana mukuru mweyo na eneo ndandike barwa na batusokeria barenda ekeko baba akire training school ya nurses kana madaktari ndene mudhara ndike nana beto badia form 4 bagaito kwa wera kabya wa ninenganire to utendo akireko kato kona koramba nge afresh ibondika loi na yeye no tuwaka. Number 3 karama tukoromba campus ya Technical Training Institute mbije koromba mtokwa bwana Kinyato no ndalomba district katema nende tukoromba na tuandika barua bateri uria urende ne St Mary's na ndikiro bro nikenda a request wa utunikera kiwanja panjire wakirwa training school ya Technical Training Institute ndene ya Karama
kumatiene betanda msimoturia wathirinja
nayo obiti ya mama kaunti gutongeria mambura jantuku ekithomo Karama. Obiti ya mubunge wa Ekuru County ya Meru Elizabeth Karambu igatetheria kunyia na kuthiria ontwire bwa Ameru buria butena kigunikire mwana ntuko iji. Mutetheria wa mama county Madam Kagweria kiareria aritwa ba form 4 ba Antoine Rumix area ire Karama tigania East nari kitina ndikuga mama county atinogoka mwanka kana Kameru atigire ga kuthoma kana gati kuthoma nonto bo wage bwambecha kana ontwire borea bukurukitwe nikagita murithi waba arena shonkuruki
obichi ya umenlepu wa Meru County uria wijikiria Madam Elizabeth Kairemia niciariritie na kwithurana nikenda ikomba gutira mathomo na witina mbere bwa ana barabara ndene ya Meru County.
How the rest of your life is going to be. Sindio, he chose to be a lawyer. The course he chose to do after high school is what has determined who he is today. The course I did, mimi ni mtu ya kamera. I am a journalist by profession. The course I did is what has gotten me where I am today. Okay? So when you are making those career choices, make wise decisions and think about the future. Don't think about today. Okay? So Mama Safi, I'm going to say Mama Safi because I am speaking as her. We realize that this age group, 10 to 19 years old, are at risk. And lately, statistics have shown that they are the highest in the triple threat. The triple threat is cases of teenage pregnancy, HIV infections, and GBV. So while we are talking about career, I hope also you are learning life skills. Sindio? Mukisoma maneno ya kazi, munasoma pia maneno ya kidunia na huko nje. Social issues. Sindio? Nimesikia mnaambiwa maneno ya mental health. Mental health is very important. And whatever other decisions you make will affect directly or indirectly your mental health. If you choose today to go outside and drink, that affects your mental health. Sawa? So let's be careful and be good to one another.
He said it's only through education, and it's only education which is the weapon that you can use to change the world. The world has changed, the world has transformed. Tumetoka zile enzi za kitambo, saa hii it's about technology. Ukisoma umalize form 4, if you don't do any course which can help you to earn a living in future, you are doomed.
Mutetheria munene wa Madam Kairemia ure wijikene jakagwiria acemenia na aritwa ba Andrew Day Secondary School ndene ya Karamani ndene ya Tigania East na rikitie kwira aritwa baba bacitaniria na njira inene iria bakombana nikenda bakomba kuthithia mathomo yao yete bwega.
Build your confidence, know when to say no, when to say yes, what to say no to. Sawa? Yeah? Mtu akuja kwambia twende tukakunywa na wewe utaki kukunywa mwambie hapana. If someone tells you let's go still, know when to say no. Sawa? Because peer pressure is real na iko huko nje. Hata sisi tuko na peer pressure. Hata sisi watu wakubwa, we are influencing one another in one way or another. Okay? So make wise decisions.
Kigomano kiki iyo kinyitwa ni mutetheria wa Senator wa Meru uria ugite ati Senator wa Meru Muthuri Karungi nawe akarungamira na barabate kumba guciomba kinya kethira ubici yawe itina kigina gya kurungamira ana.
The Senator runs a foundation called Kamashinani Foundation, which is also currently sponsoring students to institutions, including secondary schools and other institutions like the tertiary institutions. I'm actually appealing to you. Usikuwe na mtoto mwenye abuko nyumbani mwenye anasema siendi shule maybe because my parents cannot afford fees. Tuko pamoja. We are there for you. Well, the office of the senator has no such a bursary yenye tunaweza sema eti mtajasa kama ile ya Womenlet ama ya MD ama ya MP. Hakuna bursary hapo, lakini tuko hapo kuwashika mkono.
Murithi wa banki ripotera Meru TV kuma Jamirigone ya Igembe Karama.
Ibwega murithi wa bano ntobo wa NTETO iu nawe MCA wa Ruiri rwarera kithenje tuo na tongereria muchemanio jua kuthurania maoni kiri akariba wadi yawe ni ukumenya imwe ya miradi ya wete na mbere iria bakubatarana ikureterwa. MCA ujuna thikirire kiriro na wendi bwa akaribaba na kubekira wirane bwa kubaingiria wendi bwa Gakimutegi arinashio.
Muchemanio rokuri jotene wa ndini ya Ruiri rwarero rogukari na MCA wa Nterinu Felix Kithinji hamwe na akari ara mworoto munini kuruta mitaratara ya wetithi na mbere wa ndini ino ya Ruiri rwarera ara akari barutete mobataru maraba kiende MCA yo kubaruthira na iromba reo riarire ni kuruguro wa kithima kia Ruiye kiragi Ntereinu
mbere mambo gibwaga nonto bwakari nonto bagwitikanirio ora bakanywa roje roro kithima giki na betikaniria isimbio ikathithwa na simbio ira ikathithwa emwiriga jwa njotene na kirimene nikienda bomba kuthithia sheria ira bakanywa na chona roje ura ntubara bagutwa bore utekanya kareo kakuja kumanage roje rwa njotene ruru kamanage na ntuba njotene nontroje ginto devolved na ndina powers cha kugora roje rukanywa norore getaita DMCA wao
akiaria MCA Kithinji na kwira kariba Ruiri rwarera ati agatigira mara monthe baromba makuingika
bako bakundomba kuthotuna dispensary aja na nkuba promise Murungu atutethia nonto wirigoro bonna bubu nene ni kwithirwa batuthiri ikonekana Meru gavana wetu atunenkere mbecha nikienda tuja kubathithiria dispensary yu na bakundomba kinya nyuma kagita katika raja ibakonda kuriongero igavana ningote kiankari na gavana nikienda eja abaronchira kinya kithima giki na kubaratira kinya tangi nikienda ntubanjo tena bakarabwega
akari na bibakenerete tagaria ria MCA wao Kithinji ntuo
na items nyingi mono ira tutithiria na tukurikania bwaga tukuja for example ya barabara kuma kwa kwa mungi bagwatanite na Madam Morogocho mheshimiwa bakurikania bakagwatanira kenda batwitira marinya iyo reo
nyingi mono gucokia ni MC wetu Felix Kithinji urarungamirite Ruiri rorera wandi no ntoba twikira muchemanio wetu ajanjo tene omba kumba kuthirwa agiumba gutwariria na gutwa mwerekeo uratukomba kunywa ruji ruru rwetu tumbete kuthwa tutuliri
uri ngwiritwe mono rutongeria babu iku nduragoro mbegitari nene twina mheshimiwa tabatu na botha ici
ende ni iromba ria MCA Felix Kithinji ntokere thirikari nene gutigira bakwambiria kurenkanira mbeca cia kuru
romba imbeca cia kuru mbuga ci kuthiria miaka kathomba ndira ciandikani na nto ibakurite kume gita riu bena miaka 70 baba ingi inkoromba thirikari ne rugore kanya kau tumbe kuandikithia antu barakura ba miaka 70 nikenda bomba kuona kagena kara ka thirikari so inkoromba thirikari yetu Kenya ira tongere tu rais wetu William Samoei Ruto na twitikirie twambie kuandika antu bau kana kuandikithia antu barakura nikenda bomba kuona kagena kara ka kokuru
kuma wandini ya Ruiri rwarera gicigo mbunge kia Bure nkiripotera Meru TV nyoka mbitaga ki Mutegi
gatume rutere rwa Ruiri rwarera tucokere ajandene ya studio na njoki kanyaga kunogoka kanini lakini okay bye nonto ne cokerete twite na mbere na NTETO cia Meru TV ugoro.
Ari no kumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ne kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kireo. Meru TV tugukinya kaingo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yaku. Mbitigiria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya tukimurikaga biashara enu yaku nini kaingo tumenya mainge na tuinambere kwa tukirutanagiria gukiria yo kiri mubango watu baitithanie owatanite nani Faminas Wakimathi ake aga kwa Meru TV.
Oduna kiatho kia mbathidikana nwirigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiri ana baku ba ukurubwa miaka 12 kuinama. Meru TV tureje ni ontu bwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uri batara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku, tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ya kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko ja jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagemia kiatho kia mwana waku na akomwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Uri musiari na nukuri naomba wike mwana waku sukuru enjega. Chogoria Milimani Academy turi aja ni untu bwaku. Chogoria Milimani Academy ni sukuru ire ijekene na gukurukia ana na nkuruki gudbia bwega kiri mathomo jao kiri secondaries na universities.
Alvin George Muremi. I scored 412 being the top scorer here at Chogoria Milimani.
My name is Charlotte Rukinya. I got 405 marks.
Inatuanya to anaba play group PP1 na PP2 grade 1, 2 na 3. Kire bodas turi natuanya to anaba kuma grade 2 mwanka grade 8. Ukenda kungwatira mwana waku tuanya toto turingire obisines yetu ntukose kiume kuma Jumatatu mwanka Juma kwambire thaiga tucharo kire mwanka thakenda cia muthenya.
My name is Cyprian July. I'm the head teacher Chogoria Milimani. Let me say that as a school, we are very happy for this here results.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Ndega, the director of the school. Tunaomba tena that those parents with children who are grade 3 to 8 can bring their children to school here.
Turi barabara ni alami kilomita 2.5 yake kumangeti ya Chogoria Girls wetitebo wa Makori Girls. Kumenya NTETO nkoroki turiongera thimo gukurukira 0724686799 kana 0100485152 kana oturiongera kire website yetu iria ni www.cma.ac.ke kana otutumire email kire chogorimilimani@yahoo.com. Turetere kana gaku tukamenyithie kiroto giako na tukombithie gugikinyaniria. Chogoria Milimani Academy, hiking to excellence.
Tugitana mbere na NTETO cietu ni ati kambuni imwe kuma nthiguru cia ruraya na rietwa Agronom ni bariungite aja Kenya ni ukuthuja na kwibanga kwambiria urimi bwa imera tamea mpempe na bingi kathomba imera biria bikuchagia ruo ruria rutiagirikire muntu kiumbe iri njira imwe ya kumenyera riera na njara jatuthiurukite. Kambuni iji bakethirwo bakirita moritani kire arimi aja Kenya kuma ntere mwanya mwanya na ikirikana murimi uria ukwanda imera bibi na bikushetie taimwe ya ruo nawe akari wa kamanja kario kambecha na nonto bubo nitwaranite na umwe watongere bakamboni ije ne ukenda agatutariria uria kuri kirirugono rwa mwanya kango tigena rugono rwa kamboni ije no ende tushemania kiremetha yento yanteto wona sharongama da idato shaugoro na mubango jua super satone jo jete na arembo nimbitagua Nancy Ndogo.
Including Kenya, a country renowned for its stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Kenya is facing severe threats to its food security, human health, and economic stability, as its economy heavily relies on agriculture and tourism, both of which are highly vulnerable to the impacts of extreme weather events and global warming. But hope is on the horizon as Meru TV brings you an exclusive interview with an Estonian company, e-agronomy, that has stepped in to help Kenya fight climate change.
Hi, glad to be in Kenya. My name is Robin. I'm coming from Estonia, and I'm CEO and founder of e-agronomy. For me personally, it's all about soil. My father is also coming from the farming family. So basically, we have even this saying in the wall in the farm that our client is soil. So that's the most important thing for e-agronomy and for our company. And we believe, usually when we speak with farmers, then they say also that soil is super important for them. And that's the main part of it. So our main goal is to bring financial benefits to sustainable farmers. But we see that farmers need some more education and some more guiding from our local teams. And because of this, we bring this carbon income to them. And then on the other side, we are partnering with several very big companies from Europe who want to connect their brands more stronger with sustainability. And they are ready to pay then money to us so that we will give this money to farmers. Absolutely. So 1 carbon credit equals 1 ton of CO2 that is removed from the atmosphere. Probably many Kenyans have also heard about climate warming. And climate warming is happening because there are too many greenhouse gases going to the atmosphere. And the main greenhouse gas is CO2, so carbon dioxide. And there are some companies who want to reach carbon neutrality. So they want to reach zero emissions. But for them, it's very difficult to remove all of the emissions. So they reduce as much as possible, but this remaining part that they cannot reduce, they want to offset. So basically they want to give this money to someone who will remove this CO2 from the atmosphere for them. And this is then this 1 ton of removed CO2 from the atmosphere is called carbon credit. Good question. So basically what we do is we have a few things. First of all, we also do soil samples on the fields to see that the soil actually improved and there is more carbon in the soil. Secondly, we have a software that has computer application and also the mobile application where farmers and the cooperatives can enter what crops they were growing, what tasks they were doing, and etc. And we use this information and we put this to our soil model. And based on this and the soil sampling, we tell the farmers how many credits they can earn. And then on top of it, we are also using satellites to verify that farmers are actually applying those practices, like what crops they're growing and are they using cover crops and etc. So basically what we do is that we bring money to those farmers who change practices and sequester more carbon in the soil. And at the same time, there are some other benefits as well. It's reducing the emissions from the atmosphere. It's helping farmers to get more yield. So in the next years, they get more production and etc. But for me, it's all about the soil. By the way, in some cases, it's also not just giving them money. In some cases, it's that our partners also help them to get fertilizers with better prices, get some knowledge and etc. So it's going beyond money. And the other interesting thing is that quite soon, most of the farmers realized that anyways, it's good to apply those practices, and the money is just an extra bonus on top of it. Yeah, that's super important question. Well, obviously, step number one is that we try to choose the right partners who are doing locally the good things. Because in any country, we operate in Europe, in many countries, and in Africa, mainly in East Africa, in Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, South Africa. In all of those markets, we are partnering up with local teams. Because I'm from Estonia, we know about carbon programs, but we don't have the knowledge about local farming. This is what local people over here have. So we partner up, we team up to make sure that this money goes to them. And secondly, it's not only one-time payment, it's something that's recurring. So with satellites, it's possible for us to monitor whether farmers actually change practices. And if farmers change practices for good, that means that the resources ended up by the hands of farmers. We are doing it globally. The main focus is, we started from Europe. Yeah. So as I said, I'm from Estonia. Yeah. It's where Santa Claus lives in Europe, a very cold place to be. Yeah. But then we went to other European countries and now are very focused on Africa as well. We see Africa as a very potential market. Mm-hmm. We see there's a lot of land. Food production is supposed to be growing because the population is growing and etc. So we see many synergies between working out this program in Europe and also in Africa. We see, well, first of all, we see that this carbon credit is a good export opportunity for Africa. Yeah. Because the value is created if you can export something, if someone else is paying for this, whether it's the carbon credits, whether it's the clothes that you're producing or something else. Yeah. That's where the biggest value. But at the same time, that would be very nice. So we haven't made any partnership with some African companies who want to buy credits yet. Yeah. But that would be very nice and something that we would be proud to do. Just to mention, the first company who bought credits from us was LHV. So it's a bank based in Estonia. So they were the first ones. Yeah. And then after that, we partnered up with South Pole. South Pole is a Switzerland company that is very big, more than 1,000 people, more than 100 million euros revenue. They're the biggest carbon credit trader globally. So they are selling a lot of credits. And we have exclusive partnership with them where we are producing credits for them. Yeah. And they are selling their credits to companies like Volkswagen, Gucci, and some other very big and important brands. Yeah. In general, well, I guess everybody who is interested in promoting soil, I think we have some commonalities over there and some overlapping interests. So that's the main criteria. But we also already have a very good partner in Kenya. And together we are right now targeting farmers and especially even farmer cooperatives who are interested in, who are growing cereal crops, for example. So planting crop every year, for example, or soya or maize or something like this. Yeah. And that's the farmer type that we started with, but happy to go beyond this. But yeah, we are already in discussions with several farmer unions over here who want to join the carbon program and actually change their practices. And they also see that the benefits that they get from there go beyond the income, but also they will get in the future years more yield, especially if there will be long dry periods. Then if you have strong soil organic carbon, then this will help.
Kenya's fight against climate change is getting a boost from an Estonian company, e-agronomy. With its innovative approach to financial benefits, soil improvement, and carbon sequestration, e-agronomy is making a positive impact on the life of farmers and the environment in Kenya and beyond. Their innovative solutions and commitment to sustainability is truly impressive, and it's clear e-agronomy is set to make a lasting impact on the world. Vincent Bundi, Meru TV, Nairobi.
ari no kumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ni kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kirio. Meru TV tugukinya kengo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yaku. Mbitigiria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya tukimurikaga biashara enu yaku nini kengo tumenya mainge na tuinambere kwa tukirutanagiria gukiria yo kiri mubango wa tubaitithani owatanite nani Faminas Wakimathi ake aga kwa Meru TV.
Odina kiatho kia mbathidikana no irigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiri ana baku ba ukurubwa miaka 12 kwinama. Meru TV turejani onto bwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uri batara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku, tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ya kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko ja jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagemia kiatho kia mwana waku na akumwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na mthegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Uri musiari na nukuri naomba wike mwana waku sukuru enjega. Chogoria Milimani Academy turi aja ni untubu waku. Chogoria Milimani Academy ni sukuru ire ijekene na gukorokia ana na nkoroki godibia boega kiri mathomo jao kiri secondaries na universities.
Alvin George Muremi. I scored 412 being the top scorer here at Chogoria Milimani.
My name is Charlotte Ruth Kinya. I got 405 marks.
Inatuanya to anaba play group PP1 na PP2 grade 1, 2 na 3. Kire bodas turi natuanya to anaba kuma grade 2 mwanka grade 8. Ukenda kungwatira mwana waku tuanya toto turingire obisines yetu ntuko sekiume kuma Jumatatu mwanka Juma kwambire thaitha tucherukire mwanka thakenda cia muthenya.
My name is Cyprian July. I'm the head teacher Chogoria Milimani. Let me say that as a school, we are very happy for this here results.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Ndega, the director of the school. Tunaomba tena that those parents with children who are grade 3 to 8 can bring their children to school here.
Turi barabara ni alami kilomita 2.5 akikuma ngetini ya Chogoria Girls wetitebo wa Makori Girls. Kumenya NTETO nkoroki turiongira thimo gukurukira 0724686799 kana 0100485152 kana oturiongira kire website yetu iria ni www.cma.ac.ke kana otutumire email kire chogorimilimani@yahoo.com. Turetere kana gaku tukamenyithie kiroto giako na tukombithie gugikinyaniria. Chogoria Milimani Academy, hiking to excellence.
Karaja kuri na mambura twomenyaga twaigua maru kana rogoji na twona ruriri rwa ntogo. Ende bibionde ni bireketi na kuthingithuka na gukorokwa ni kagita. Nontobo Meru TV turiaje ni ontobo waku gutigira mambura jaku ni jago kinyera chore baku emwe kwa emwe gukorokera mitandao yetu ya Facebook na YouTube. No kwethiro ni mambura jamorano, rachio, madhiko, mambura kanicha, birthday, pass out, graduation kana wekerwa dhombe kiria dhomi na binge kadhomba. Mambura jaku tukaje kiri mitandao yetu kuma mwambirio mwanka muthiana mari jakoguna mokojo waku. Neu tukagemia kiatho giaku na gukuwa mwago jwa muthemba ugikongwera na chore hamwe na nthegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Chukuri ya St. Agnes Marega turi Marega mairithatu kuma tauni ya Mikindori barabara nene ya Meru kuelekea Mikindori. St. Agnes ni chukuri ya chongaira kimatho moja Meru na kinya kinyangima. Na nandi tukinye kinetia kinya kile utarajo mweru jua CBC na Junior Secondary School. Chukuri ya tutu na aritwa boarding school na Discoras na nyatu na arimo bakongana. St. Agnes tuna reare gaba ana na beto konogo kadhe bate irachine. Ujukani ya bua January 2023 kile Junior Secondary School PP1 mwaka klasi kia mugwanjane botete na mbere. Marije to na jakuganira mubuko jwaku. Kuma yamantu nkuruki tunge chukuru kano tringe dhimugu kurukira namba ije 0725977114. St. Agnes School Marega. My education, my life, my future.
Good evening. Nate withirite ukari mutegeri o Meru TV. Anko ate ogini ke mubango yetu you super sato Saturday nge njaro itu sokeria morungu kadho. Nyana ntubo tokinyezia ke month of love ke Saturday month of love. So anko ate ogini muno ke mubango yetu you super sato rikana no watanire abatwe ara Facebook live Meru TV Kenya, YouTube, Meru Digital, na website www.merudigital.co.ke. Naruare ndena arembo bako kama kawa twina boke ndatomba kwethira twikwa manto monki era yombeta kwethira yaikareka kiumia ke kwa kunturene Meru County yonde Kenya na kinya nthegoro yonde. Nemo kwa mwamba beredi rutere ruru akwara left twere wewe u no twere kiumike akure kethirite gikari atia
mutegeri wa Meru TV ibwa gano ntubo kwithira wina batu tukuingia na arwe Saturday ambayo ni Saturday Valentine. Usibaduke. Kuna mingi ambayo tunakuja kukupa sasa hivi.
Domba twere
mutegeri wa Meru TV kutekia wina ugoro bubwega. I hope you had a great week. Grole ya mwana twe na goka enjoy.
Utatwera marito ya.
Utawa ambeta nansi wabundi ngeteka.
Kore nyongi utatwera marito.
Masi bayeni.
Ntemi hande kwere happy Valentine kandi kwere happy no ndingo teketri manare Valentine iketira yongoluka. Happy Valentine na wapenda sana ategeri ba Meru TV na njumla asore ba kwa bonde. Na nkiwa marieto yakwa Lilian Kagendo, happy birthday to you baby girl. Beta wa Victoria Mwambia.
Nakati nkume manto yombeta kwethira yeka reka muno kiumia ki manto kithumba atukerie tumbe kwethira twebwera yara yethirite yake hiti muno kana yakethira yake yana pressure na ara ki social media iyo tukomba kwethira twetegera muno Ruare ora Cabinet Secretary of Education Professor George Magoha nombera kwethira akiuro kwake mucie na ara siaya ato mwire rest in peace. Nyethera horo watu tibati kuria tete. But no sawa. Professor Magoha ngwetekia bwenzi ibonete mtu wethirite na nini. Ena life unique mno. Unique in its way. Ntemiande mete unique kandi mete atia unique in its way. Aria mwe koro mwe. Tutomba kwetha tukibwa nto baitorio by the way kuwa inkwenda share or inkwenda something. So arari amokoro mwe arari na sano mwe na mwakuro keno mbera kwethira itwaro no atwira ari pregnant au ba kwethira conceive sano au ba kwethira ke give birth pressure kene iterie oro mno na Magoha amwira kwethira ibo kombo karika next time aturekere au ature amba bereri ya wemasi ibyo mbeta kwethira okilani kumania maisha ya lete doyo kuringana au tumbita kwethira tukibwa ka history kake.
Rest in peace, Professor Magoha. You've been of great help to education fraternity. Magoha is the one who brought CBC, something that I embrace so much. Then Magoha never retired like a family man. I've seen something, anto bakiwa ate, it's like Kenyan women ba lose their culture. Many time rao na mtu mnene akua ponde pe ina shares bakiwa itoare ndare ngaona ona but Magoa, he was a different person na mturo therwa aina ome na was bora ngentere nyarimo lakini we yake nyumba ari mukuro musi bonto kona na ari mtu understanding mwanka kona me akurwa baingi bona niana mwekuru are uno kuretera tuana lakini wonere atia ona mwekuru kwendikitha ina issue at the end of it all kama reje bateru kudwere ntu bwana so much can it for companionship. Mago has been a great man by the nyakitha ta theka kore watu aithame yoyo
lakini mwekuru kikorika na ruare na wire okay mtu no kwithira face yake kari ona naturally no also yanite no omulwelio kamenya happy no hawerwa so bua kwero kwa kurethera kwendene tatita boreno.
By the way kwena something but it's good the way he has been kenda to muteki seriously meano kona nya kwithira professor nina kwithira CS education it needed someone who is serious but at the end of it all at least na raichi kuna ichi balance ke mogoro nyumba na bonto kona na aruero monka me aka forte o mtu akiwa na kororo nyantu ko emwe bikaya owe
miaka 40 ya na ruere miaka 40. What do you say about Tontobo?
I think Makwa was a man of honor. He deserved whatever Mokoroke baba. Aringe Mokoroke mo Nigeria. They know how to, when you treated well, they know to.
Teti, you want to say Kenyan women treated? Where? Teti.
Let me say the truth. Okay, Mokoroke atara comfortable. Akirua miake that.
Na harigania hiyo.
Was contented. Na treat our boy no tekugwa utendura mirumira.
By the way, so far utesio.
Girl sound yoreya ina kiwa ande na twana tutandatu twa siaya ka they had one son. They have been happy for those years.
Very happy.
Very happy.
Tutaibwa ngamoko tutaibwa drama ini around him. That means he was a man of honor. Na whatever mwekoro kamba kwithira aki celebrate life
no wonder dance you right
era ni culture era bede kwana to baba inge social media muno bake tinya bake theta mtu oreta tombando twakuto itano orethia kuringia tuma you even don't go reading about cultures that's their culture, that's how they celebrate death and bede batitu asiekirire tubati kurira at 60s, at 70s, at 80s, we need to celebrate that life. At 20, 30, 40, we feel that pain because you've not achieved a lot. But at 80s, you know God had given you a lot. So I'm happy.
But what do you think Retantara dance yura? It means ona are mukuro.
That is their culture. That's the Nigerian culture, by the way. That's the Nigerian culture.
So, it's a great honor. Nigerians, they take it as an opportunity, great opportunity. Arengekuwa atina mwana, ingekuwa kesi ingine different.
Oh, ende kwe antu bara na online bara watu mko wako aku dance na inyore atembe sairati eri. It's not about the money.
As Kenyans we are materialistic. The Nigerians boy bazwera the materialistic life, their cultures. Utinyaka umaye tandisia ume. Akarua fufu, akarua tubia kula turato baria. Batu ta hiyo uma tenyasa yemaya.
But modani imagine someone has treated you good for 40 years. My friend can dance ungo tona. But imagine are mtote sa nyumba na mto okana nye ko dance.
Let me tell you, at the end of the day when someone close to you, even your toxic parent or your toxic sisters and brothers, omwake ya kuita, you feel that gap. We appreciate people, ututiende tako appreciate anto beya. It's good to appreciate. Toxic, they are around we. Okami ako kwetha wina gap at least no bona. But wake up and here you are as bad as gone.
But it's bad.
It hurts deep down. It hurts. The same way it hurts na mtura pendene.
Kwebwe me kukorea ko hurt. Like muntu ara ko pass that through her.
I have seen it.
Kwe antombo kinya akwa
we were relieved.
It happened. I've seen it. Like someone twikiraskia psychology thoma death ile kwitira the worst death is for a spouse. So ni umatwira ati kwira ngane anti owe mwene akwire nenda na mutesa awe finally aweta.
To be honest, Masi, when you're around crowd yanto, you feel okay.
But
the moment you are behind closed doors and closed curtains, you cry.
And how are we supposed to treat someone who is mourning?
We just allow them cry, scream.
Allow them to cry, allow them to scream. But without hela mtu akwera kira to cry.
No one that's how still baride akuyanirie na Barbara bandansi. Nobody was there.
You do what they do.
So usifila ngambi no. Their waits they celebrate.
Or if I visit now, like I visit Modoni and she's mourning, she has lost someone. Nancy, sorry. Modoni, it's you. I'm more used to Curie than okay. You know, like when you're there to someone when you mtoro komon ka mtoro tete mtoro baby kidai mwakuru yo, just be there. Do something good to them. Or are you okay, Ivo? Like who can't about your children or whereas you angambi to be well, to what it depends. You are not.
I know where pain comes from. Pain doesn't come from is gone, he'll never be here, blah blah blah. Pain comes from sympathy. The moment you're telling someone, swear, no, not even keep quiet. No, sawa, no katoka, no itora muendete imagine. Lakini no katoka menyeria. No, just go there, beat other stories.
Yes. Pretend
you don't know that person.
That's a word. Beat other stories.
Beat those stories. Eta na worrying story. From this to that.
Yes.
Sile magoa na rari mtu waona, itakuona wauna toko witness mtuko ruari. Rest in peace Magoha. Toachemania na. Katu witeki utene euro ate. Ati mante ya.
Lakini no macho.
Toazikone huo.
Na basemanye. Ari nyakenye uri arari na basemanye.
Rengi na ero mwero.
Tuacha pasta. Katu witeki tetokeyele rangu ati ka ma MCA ba Meru County na Governor Kawira Mwangaza no siete tena mbere ibara wire iba kwenda ward 5 Nancy
Kawira arawire ati
owe no kona kantu baba utotera kanya bakanya kuba utotera ende nyabo ibotero hao how onto the mama abatero kopaliti na nduba kenda ba give down to us still ate kwenda kokara bote so what will happen no ketira Kawira na reasons yake
reason at the end of the day Kawira ingavana wetu na president wenu MCS na bwire na nyasi yes wenu na bwire gavana wenu ikawira so it is either way choose wadifandira mama uboa poite bokari teni yongwe kana bokire oni bethe inde boira ete ibokire bore ya musara yo anu maisa yendele miaka 5 ethire boya kura ene renge bore thani okura ne buta cia Nairobi okinyanga cia ngarama no tebyo bokwewa
masi wena tu kuona kinkurani hizi
kurani ere ira wate kinda na nesembiro na ita wate kuna tako karawa ngote kiboko akara finally
wewe umugumia
ari wote koma Meru
grasshopper na nyasi kana ni mbio kwa
ng'ombe na nyasi
ndio kuelewa
Korea anyway fight cha MCS na mama gavana ni mama I don't know where they're heading to but they are wasting our time.
Very true.
All we need is development. Tutabata beta kuruna beta kona nire ku na inya nga nire ku tinani. Even mama ketho antu aba mo advice it's not about the world fund so much. It's about development yanto cha Mumeru. Mumeru bila kwenda development.
But she's trying.
She's trying no mama kakwenda she's more of a choleric. Cholerics beta barantu bara they want to be everything. They believe by no kona nyoka thoena mtu choleric in the house it's good nyoba meya but enda kona mtu ngiari tangu hibonka but we can do leave these people nyoba ina akiri nyaba etaro na ba convince antu baba village bo bonde ma baringira kura re ono baba ne krambe chibote menya bo kweta ba chiri dengwe
to be honest I think we should accept governance ya mama. So far so good, there is nothing that will change. The only thing MCA babati first of all bakarande amongst themselves. Bebongwa batiko ya bena deputy governor president kanai. Let them sit bongwa ke bongwa bakwamile bone. Is she willing? No, though this is the second time deputy governor Kumira ibari deputy president I mean regadi kwena bari before beta Tanzania batari rengi
bari madira
yes na ingilierere tepo this is the second time no actually this is the third time senate ni ingilierere to deputy president and one thing I'll say everyone is securing 2027 here regarding and Ruto wana secure 2027 in Meru County. Mama is securing it kia waka 2027 in Meru County. MCs baraba kudeta kinyapo bebangito secure itekio. But the problem here comes, mama nabatinya we ku accept she's doing na ito kuona na kubwithia. Tutawa ate kubwithia. Ekoro mantu amureka na rekanere ayo na uteo mtu mubasha utiniwe. Utinya o mulikana na kubwithia na itonete na nyumwerete balls nyinge muno na rakonde kuture kutina road. She's trying at a cheaper rate by the way. Actually, we don't know the other money where it goes, but at a cheaper rate. Renge, mama nabati kuelewa. Ti every word, Meru County akaomba Kinya. Atiomba wikinya sionde. Na wandi neira, ipo ntoto uwere ito kwenda mtoto, kuturi present yaraka.
Ipo ntoto NMCA.
Ibria amenya barabara ite na aye, ndenda kiathoke mwana kwake witasukuru ngeta kwa MCA kamwita. Secondly, batu ya Meru tu atire, twe wiki ara witethia kenda umbontethi utero kaikia mwana siasa ara county are mo witethia ya ringi 2027 ukwira na kwendete kira we muria wende ukwangu imbi oracio rire nyasuti bonto ibyo soba kita John Paul Kibulana like we gave you this, go help yourself, go buy good clothes, as in have a good life, no kona all we can tell politicians ibyo bitoma these are quick way of making money na living a good lifestyle. Secondly, mama nabati ko dilikana antubai boyere loan. Inyingi muno baromba kurira. Na bakinyara bakinyite. Kinyara nyabono the same measures atumire kinyara baiba atumire excess ba make a poster ba batare ya TV. Batare ya baite. Bare ya poster si bare nanto groundine, bare ya misemani and they bare angarisida ba komporete. They had people lent them money. You see, nanto bara iba kwendai betasio. Mama abaye wadipadio kinyadringi milioni kenda kana milioni 10 wakwenda oba abaye milioni 10 na habari yako litamaendelea milioni 10 tukamenye itana because if regime ringe sietisi oba wa deferred rate no ndo mama atioba na renge mama ndo barako press baraba ingi ba Peru ti baba DMK kiogora baraba na arakweto akachio baraba ingi inu MCAs baraba inge batari te
batinya kuelewa
alafu baraba inge the young blondes
very young
no kona mtu like John Paul John Paul ona dai maendeleo ya raina yari tete ngoinya more than even MPs baba tete so these people because they are bakata ngoi na ba opportunity they work
anto ba mama bara komenya ibadhigirite no ndubwo komenya ibadhigirite etawire mama ai anabangi opportunity na abaye kanya na abaye funds iwe munene wo ora president munene wetu na ora president kuona na kutaniria ngwene MPs na senators na ntubara bonde be anda weboya uteba watanga wetana tebo let us stop eating on MCAs and eating on mama on both sides bonde be na wiki
bakarante batumira
akiri bareke ku involve anto bete bakarante senate bete mama bamudikere bele wane bari Meru mwaka kithire
aingi antu baiba utwibero kiao
we need Meru County by Meru County to kwenda maendeleo mama atokirete nza barabara na kisima ewingwe ya
aile Nairobi County right now kwene MCAs baraba kuritangwe dahi uretoka ethira nya tubabala tatu nini otherio ito bwithe tu already Meru thaire no ke akomenya about kweka babala fulani kaiterete yo Antoine no kaiterete yo
tenya KMCA wote thia asirire na sio stress irene hati otethi nya otethi just because we are mama na kwenda kubwithe by the mama our hebo governor honorable Kawira Mwangaza unaweza fika lakini utafika mahali ungefika na support ya
utediria toeria to tuanze tuemeru
okobwithio kabwithia kobwithia ma okabwithia kwena ba antu baku bonde bokabwithia but to be honest botekava Meru yonte botekava boto tero
kana advisors bawe thina
otebo te advisors bawe iwe umetie kiongo nendie bongo ba umetie kiongo saitie so moringanire kiongo bya Meru moringanire kiongo bya Meru no to kwinda bwa ya Meru utemwe ko utanie MP MCA ni sisi ni boera wande wa yele si arore de wa yele karore no umia nyanki yo ma baide ka umende no batu to ka umia we wandine kuwa na kwenutia nya watirima tero te barabara o kaibwa rwero enjero anga imbaranga ende waita baranga beto taro no na waita baranga we na makwenu taro no mama you just have to by the James no ko me adena sia baranga no ko me adena sia Antoine no ni kabako na ara kiego yanto bocho wandi no ko me adena sia to nara wa ke morele na modara ina tere barabara enu etena mama tena ara kio ida yo tuku kwawe atako me akotena street light kabako iwo ko me akwa kutena street kabako iwo ko me insecurity sia kwae kabako iwo ko menya police station iwo yes kabako iwo ko menya police station ye kioiri ne bati kwa ama mareta kaelo kirankori kaelo nana mutua kaelo kaelo nyane akumbori no mbori on bitetia mbaranga endera aretia mbaranga mbere kana kona nara unatakwata naka mweline naye no kona ni asaira nanzere ne akagwa but then she should leave these MCs ba murembe kwa ndara are mama red for 2 years or let's say panenkere 2 years. You have agreed to what they are asking. You are giving them 2 years. One nguira kakedia tia bakatuta. Bare yako tutangwele kwa kuetekiri nya batu za Meru community lekana nae lekana nabo. But renge kwena mtora ndena a friend MC Ontima is just a young man. Muna muna na musore o kepo ndete tekemo na ntururu. They are just young. Utibu nyapa yedia. This is their first political career. Mama akwenda obarunira. You see, it's really bad political career yo embere ba set footings na ibaitie hired this to do for my young friends, my young age mates, my young youth. Baraba nene na kuelewa dena sentima. Mama na kuelewa dena sentima. Atele. Mama atelewa dena sentima. Abaleti kinyake diratere mudon. 2 years. We mama ya tuire atirete ke baita turere goba myaka ele goba nekera wadi fandi tele ndabo badikera ere batedia bo tebu at least bare ma baringe kiboko lakini me shizike babo na kuna kwenda mbesa idea shizike babo abacho abatiatela inyo batiatela rekana wape hiyo pesa wanaitisha hapa duration yenyewe wengere mama atere ndaiberwa mama atere ya into ationete atemba kore contractor barabara teta kuona are barabara are contractor era yenzi ni MC era ete contractor mama tawo ka release mbese kore contractor no sawa no ete no akone barabara ebwethera o MC na rethe diate nenze tetie because she has those powers so I let these young people to do their work and baba mkwe mtoro kumeresia sene hantu bakuoba mwetikitie. This young man has a career. Lakini ndo bawa wandifandi renge wibweto talere owe modoni twakwere kura ureta kuruira wandifandi tutakuona ria Nairobi na Tanzania twakuonia kaete renge atwete kirondoro lakini au aleta rakwere lakini au awe yete renge ingone MC baba inge paso twakuona tukona atete kirondoro nge President William Ruto na araumbira kwithira appointivo boero leaders ba parastatus mwanya amba kwithira kirita baraba appointi President Uhuru Kenyatta tuwe muntu appoint August last year 2022 ugate ku akaritoa replace wa ekonge onge appoint March kana April last year the same case aka appoint ekonge na te kona case yemasi ewe kwa appoint thai okay every time that ringa hura tu amwitho no yore maruke ya osensia so thaire manta politics teka mtu akwa ward baba arekewe na baba angirikana Raila na Raila already aye kuthoma nya cabinet ni bawe already actually ko mo eto already na areke agriculture tame ina ari thai ambo thimdo ya kurima ore ko ari ko agriculture what ko ba papa na Raila kwa to announce cabinet ojo na re kana manto bana so but anyway in politics either way patapotea yare au support mtu thai maybe ko mtu nyoe samoya ebita like ayo tenda ningire nda moringa campaign ngabina bina my friend
Create opportunities for your own self. Like right now, matiang inyaya after ikurto CS inari thai ateke UN. So nyabangi bakuriranga sijua ngabataye wanga kutaka nanate tafadhali pambana na hali yako. Acha kama ukiendelea usensi ya mwili na ulira.
Hiyo wakeza.
That's the word. Exactly.
Mtojo, those people are too loyal to him. Na nde definitely ateta kujukia mtu opposition ya mwangu gere.
Lakini kwa mtonge atoekerwa mbise wi barabe nara. Kwa mtonge ware loyal mnokere antu ba lakini ogira antu kwa mwethera Facebook atagio million tags. Ugere kanote hivi arahewa. Mtu complained mnona ara Facebook akiwa.
Kate na matunda. Do you know what? I had someone say
Mtora complainara Facebook akiwa anarene kwa wangu yeye lakini atetere bora.
Ote ono ntote na matunda. Nonto tibyo kureta ke government ya Ruto.
Ato be butongo ge yana shine nyabara bandikanire tu abo awatayu vyenya na tayu online. So he is still earning followers na han online. Ujue online na han.
Oh, ana online
lakini narenda ngwe lakini atombera kwetera bora.
Mwanga konso onto na ala.
But when it comes to rewarding political world no man come to ailione ate mto ko bia kande tera. Like I had someone say when mto muyuthi o Meru narari na nguinja somewhere but okay otega nyamto mora atetheri utewe. Do you think nyamto kwenda ko use baadaye ke politics re au tumira hata na kuma wote na matundu otetethia bange oya warorewa uona ngambi ike Facebook ake tuinera buranga wethia ngara kokara but we don't see kwe wo wethetie so at the end of it nyoro kwa somewhere be somewhere itaona ni nato utapura like utothe tukiona ko matunda yaku kwanto otethetie ma live in the village kwa skuru otethia and everything but kwe wo wetoke like if you look like someone like Pauline Njoroge they can have Pauline areke opposition. Utem tutenda ku long like to work with this lady. No Pauline aina matunda yawe. Yeah, amesaidia many youths. Nyaba mwenye bakasti ba utone taiba itaba menta na Meru na wembi Mukikuyu. So at the end of it all kato the tukiona rao kwa opportunity eco lead someone tu ya kuwa I was waiting for appointment. Hapana. Hapana beta baina matunda. Like someone sees no konera mtu akwa appointed somewhere ateti kato ningwere ko ritete tepu era ya tumadaki ya kuromba kura next era watia kungwe ya ditro mali fulani but yendo wezro ikithie kikirara au then no Kenya ko ni ofria kwa ka we can't work
baya akaba ndo so qualification kana iko appointed tu anchi ngwichi
ndio orenda kuwa ya kwa appointed thai kwa sibitari lazima mbitende na ndi sibitari
so de lazima
na yena wasiasa ne tu alo yote base
loyalty base
fandere ne onkiro mbakuro menga ku loyalty pe ngaku loyalty pe go fund back nde okay they don't expected no to eno are na bachelor of anka imbibi wetera ti weru to are yo so na ntorene nuno to bachelor of education weta ko ditana na ara university no tuare tukiona PS yo cooperative akewa ngwire we know what effort yakire ke UD Meru County kabia bakewa ngwire ibari kiame ibesi effort na kulikana there are people back who failed but over fix somewhere they supported me too no kona but at the end of the day after 5 years Ruto akea no kuelewa I paid you loyalty
you should pay me back
not even pay me back you should have worked to earn it next time no kwana you see kwa mila waziri wenu wa agriculture is trying so much not to fail Ruto no Ruto atamufe atamufe para pete na ramithika umete the ari murimi we dietwa
metheka lentore
yes the ari murimi we dietwa na he will try his best na rithetie ngombe ciari cieria cietawa kuono kwa we ciari nyaka pet cia thamba kinyaro kiri arithetie ngombe nyingi muno by the way mwanka siasa ira muko mamuno arare tena kanya kakufuatilia na nendete kufuatilia biashara ciao at the end of the day you try so much for the next one mbonethira nkethi atia bandu katikite itu kona ba mithamo etene kira batuire no bakiendelea kio, but again politics ethira rekana politics ritangui Kwa politics ethirere Azimio esindwa no bendelere asiacha kupiga Ruto ko na Facebook. You think anto bai watafuatilia? Wanafuatilianga sana hizo mambo na wana screenshot vitu za kukuwekea. Will you focus kwa ditangwe kuka na will you focus kwa support Azimio?
But you're supposed to work with the government of the day.
Thank you. Yeah. But napo baraba ingebe bara kwanza baraba ingeba bara revoked bariba Azimio. Pate ku focus na alako kulitira mutu. No kopa iganete ku fight anga Ruto anga Raila wosindere.
Yoke akwailya ni MP otigania hist. Awirewe you work with the government of the day.
No ndo
nakwenda tuendelea bona maendeleo.
Anakwenda tiania area kuzetu nyuma woretu ere kuzetu nyuma yena
baba kibera. Kibera riete ke opposition. Na itonete by the nani akingwa ke meeting yeni Azimio Jalango. No ndo Jalango by the
aka yumino Jalango atora kuletea kuwa baba tosha
alafu nje langata hapana.
Okay. Tote korea antoba Azimio ito kuona nyandire ngeju
itu ari edera jubili atombe kwetera tukiuruga ito soketea story Azimio atombe kwetera tukiuruga mutegerio Meru TV okauma ito koreterete manto yange monkey
Ari no kumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ni kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kirio. Meru TV tugukinya kengo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yaku. Mbitigeria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya tukimurikaga biashara enu yaku nini kengo tumenya mainge na tuinambere kwa tukirutanagiria gukiria yo kiri mubango wa tubaitithani owatanite nani Faminas wakimathi ake aga kwa Meru TV.
Oduna kiatho kia mbathidikana no irigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiriana baku ba ukurubwa miaka 12 kwinama. Meru TV turejania ntubwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uri batara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku, tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ja kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko ja jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagemia kiatho kia mwana waku na akumwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na mthegoro ngima. Aranirie na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Uri musiari na nukuri na umba wike mwana waku sukuru enjega. Chogoria Milimani Academy turi aja ni untubu waku. Chogoria Milimani Academy ni sukuru ire ijekene na kukurukia ana na nkuruki kudibia boega kiri madhomo jao kiri secondaries na universities.
Alvin George Muremi. I scored 412 being the top scorer here at Chogoria Milimani.
My name is Charlotte Truth Kinya. I got 405 marks.
Inatuanya toa anaba play group, PP1 na PP2, grade 1, 2 na 3. Kire bodas turi natuanya toa anaba kuma grade 2, mwanka grade 8. Ukienda kungwatina mwana wa kutuanya toto turiungire obisines yetu ntuko kiumia kuma Jumatatu mwanka Juma. Kwa mbire dhaitha tucharo kiri mwanka dhakenda chia muthenya.
My name is Cyprian July. I'm the NTETO teacher Chogoria Milimani. Let me say that as a school, we are very happy for this here results.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Ndega, the director of the school. Tunaomba tena that those parents with children who are grade 3 to 8 can bring their children to school here.
Turi barabara ni alami kilomita 20 aki kumangeti ni Chogoria Girls wetitebo wa Makori Girls. Kumenya NTETO nkoroki turiongera dimo gukurukira 0724686799 kana 01 00485152 kana uturiungire kiri website yetu iria ni www.cma.ac.ke kana ututumire email kiri togoriamilimani@yahoo.com. turetere kana gaku tukamenyithie kiroto giako na tukombithie gugikinyaniria. Togoria Milimani Academy, hiking to excellence.
Karaja kuri na mambura twamenyaga twaigua maru kana rogoji na twona rurĩrĩmbĩ rwa ntogo. Ende bibionde ni bireketie na kuthingithuka na gukorokwa ni kagita. Nontobo Meru TV turiaje ni ontobo waku gutigira mambura jaku ni jago kinyera chore baku emwe kwa emwe gukorokera mitandao yetu ya Facebook na YouTube. No kwethero ni mambura jamorano, rachio, madhiko, mambura kanicha, birthday, pass out, graduation kana wekerwa dhombe kiria dhomi na binge kadhomba. Mambura jaku tukaje kiri mitandao yetu kuma mwambirio mwanka muthiana marija kuguna mokojo waku. Neu tukagemia kiatho giaku na gokuwa mwago jwa muthemba ugikongwera na chore hamwe na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurokera namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Chukuri ya St. Agnes Maregaturi Maregama irithatu kuma tauni ya Mikindori barabara nene ya Meru kuelekea Mikindori. St. Agnes ni chukuri ya chongairi ya kimatho moja Meru na kinya kinyangima. Na nandi tukinya kiretia kinya kire utarajo mweru jua CBC na Junior Secondary School. Chukuri ya tuturi na aritwa babu den school na discoras na nyatu na arimo bakongana. St. Agnes tunareare gaba ana na beto konogo kadhebate irachine. Ujukani ya bua January 2023 kire Junior Secondary School PP1 mwaka klasi kia mugwanja ne botete na mbere. Marije to na jakuganira mubuko jwaku. Kuma yamantu nkuruki tunge chukuru kanu chinge dhimugu kurukira namba ije 0725977114. St. Agnes School Marega, my education, my life, my future.
Na kwati ogeni ringe mutegeri o Meru TV ke mubango yoyo eto yo super salto mubango yora tukwe ya makarika monki yara ya izera ya karikite ndene ekiumia na tukiendelea kulwele mantura ya umbete kwezira ya ikarika kiumia ke wena ruono roro akieba muno sabweria na ara Teresia Igembe North kwena sabwerio village emwe sabweri oyo araria mwana kamwalika miaka mwanja kamwalika ina akwire alafu ithe aurogo wa disappear atamenyekere ina etire no kuona so relative bake baraba extended family bamudana nikeo kisabweri oyo ati barione imuntu responsible imuntu gumenya area ibwe imuntu gumera yonde akarika so watu mudhani mwari weto arienwe na mwe advice na momente but it's so unfortunate mwana oyo sabweri oyo na wata mwana oyo Kenya I think na mwete severally na mwana wa report case yake relative barabangi extended bathroom ute muntu kethia no ati akuhusu ni mwara kuhusu ishi so mwana alio wo akidifile wa bata iso asoiro beta sibitari mwana akathimwa akoneka na ukimwi HIV after kutura kudifile isab area oyo so kiorigira kwendo post ke batwe ntukweruari asiarire tubati kwethia tubati kuthanania na beto kiba una undene village tena bokuwa masi
we story unenjo mumno na nyamto akwambiraniria kana kaitha ringi sabweri
grade 7.
Mwana no grade 7.
So it's around 10 years. Yeah. 10, 11 years.
Tengi mtoro utegemewa ki village.
Yeah.
Sabiri.
Ro batero tega barabo bakwenga tatwana nturene barabo defile twana.
No defile. I don't know these things have been happening. Leka nyake sabiri yake. We toke thira mtu na atiere twana twawe. To mwe kuruna etire but now for this case mwe kuruna akwire but to mume atiana bawe. It's good rokwana mwana yo no tiererwe. Kainya mtu nginyoro irresponsible. Mostly etwana toto wale no batero kumano utiera. Tira mtu roko me irresponsible na mtu we sure ai responsible kapsa. But utema utiera ambi mpaka area.
Lakini extended family sere ruwa si akariri ate.
But okay akomba tia mwana oku.
But the father in this case is there atiaja inana pasire. So relatives bona woju no munene wetu ntole.
Tato udhani masi yanko ulie kiodia. Relatives ibao.
Tuntemenya.
Uwe relatives.
Baba. Ila itawa extended family.
Mudakora ithekana karana arina asiari. Mwakuru yo kwere uina kana moroina cousins baka mwalika aka kwa defiled but hiyo you know tell me step sisters na step brothers bamwarika na bamudhaka ibo beyanire mwana na there must be a ground, a tangible ground, a legit evidence a family ra kunenkanira mwari uyo kesabuiri. It doesn't happen.
Lakini no komena ara ntorene wewe batha
kote apeni unu wanyawa ikiria kana kaku kwa mwekuru mwitonga akakata skuru kamudhamba irinto we wikes you don't go give a man your kana kamuto nyukwe kana kamoro nyukwe kamwale amerikana kakae yake tere nore kinyaka umba kuthoma
nyaka kae katina kana
ari ato ku nyaka umba kuthoma nakatwera mbuga kana kethia mantu yara maumu isawa kumbera atikana kaka mwalika nenkanero relatives kwa sub area. How are you related to that sub area first of all? On which grounds? No come there is a ground here family ye. The relatives now. Tinyambu tokekiri nya baba ingi. Amba kwa tinyane anti umwetu. Sub area amwirire amukalasi akirua kanga. Bethiatia bakana karai thia wetheriatia haurire. Utembera sabueria uyu na atwire ko defile kana kara na te once te twice te thrice na kana kaka keta ku inform to baraba munenka ere bakira aya another question kana kare keta skuru
igeta skuru kana grade 7
igeta skuru so kaita skuru kakiuma kwa sabueria so sabueria no kathomethia
acha sabueria uyu wena arari ya family na nkuriga na moto
this is happen na ibonete case mostly each raping and everything oka realize mtoro tierero mwana no then neti lazima nyeto isabere no edro nyimu da ko sabere no bona but mwana ora nya wengwa ro realize uri in danger run away itanya kita iki someone ro ukatrust utaja mtu at least one in the village ro ukatrust umwerere mante ate sasa ko nona mtora ate ache bura save that kid out
lakini umeatwana na tu open up remo ihag
twani ibonto baterwe it's good oambire kuritana mwana ari munini ko open up like ira mwana umira school no nena akirire murie ai we sasa wakainyo ke tinya lazima umete school ombo the no tigita mwana na unyanja kuongo amuria we sasa wana atakurari ukarealize there is something happen by the mwana no mwaka open up na akura saka open up akure kulia happen hivi na hivi alafu ukarealize ira mwana ako open up nyo ukarealize ko nto hapo thiretwe akabuthira counseling no to ndombere nya mwana onya kithana akite me this kid I defiled mwana already depressed then kweno kimburi involved mwana akaitaji very good counselor ko deal anwe
egembe no thikote Catholic Church
chekwo uko tina kotelengo ondare
children's home
ireo
no gutwike njeje thirie tio cioma
ni onto etamukiria mwana uyu ithe waurire na ina waurire bamwikana ara kwa batiri
so you see
na ra children's home onto ni kuatere before to ya to na okay, these are issue on the table. The baby is sick. She's already HIV. That's another issue kwenda.
Adding an insult to the history already.
One issue nge kwenda guidance, counseling each now and then. Secondly, she's defiled many times, maybe falsely, maybe
falsely
akiorawa and no contest, no kona. Thirdly, we don't know why the family enekere sabueria. Fourthly,
ninamwambia asante William Ruto.
Twana toeje. Afola na kesi ya kana kau. Because these are cases that onimbuga atere. Keto kuneka kironda ati sabueria watu athe kwa miaka 3 alukue ya ringi. No. Let us set an example to the community. Because Anton Arantore ne bateria ukiona kana kaitha oreka kura kamwale kaitha. There are things that we hear kinyaba tutu inantora sie tutu mite. There are things you hear anto bareta mirana bakarinte nara. You hear them give response to kana kanunu ka class 7 8, you know, she's turning to a teenager.
Like muntu akwaria
imbibyo ende akuona ke mwana
so nde na kiori nani masi mwana yoyore kweli kuringana trauma lazima na kilokete trauma yuma kiongo inyegeria kuritoa counseling. How long will it
with time and she needs a good counselor. Take counselor hivi na kuitaji good counselor kende nya yako accept mwanka kinyamenya no kona already ananya ni ukimwi. You can need very good counselor. The counselor hivi not just a quack. Talk about exactly what I could deal na
no, she might be suicidal.
I am assess counselor ka deal na no aka assess amenye what she really needs.
Na bati ochoro counselor te kuanga.
Me have seen someone who has gone to counseling such cases but yeye her stepdad. The stepdad raped her severally.
But mwana huu ibasoe counselor ibareke amanto ya chibu anganambi atweteke nteto yinge recommend ngweteke when they we see recommend.
Finally you can brighten our faces story it was sad by the way.
Kato play a clip where you better to kuma ki story ni recommend bara pero terero ngeno twekere clip where ye recommend better to ke ya kwariria imbi yo ngwa iratuma awe manto ya.
Hi guys, where's Daddy Owen? Where's Jimmy Gate? Where's Masimasika? Where's Alice Kamande? Where's Gloria Muliro? Where's Eunice Njeri? The gospel music industry was the identity of Kenyan music. They have all fallen. I remember the days of Groove Awards, the biggest awards in East and Central Africa. And then the next thing I heard was that DK kwenye beat alikuwa na gonorrhea. Willie Paul is leaving the gospel industry. And now they're just having sex in Umoja. They have more scandals than the secular industry. Bahati left gospel music. He's now singing secular. And is hanging onto his YouTube channel with his wife. You have left ministry. You have left God. You have left the church. You will never prosper. We have lost our touch with God. And the church has let down Kenyans. Do you remember Daddy Owen? Do you remember Jimmy Gate? Jimmy Gate anauza laptop, anachukua maid wasichana wetu, anawapeleka Saudi Arabia. Mr. Sid, you are trending now because of very immoral things. Nyinyi ndio mko na scandals za gonorrhea. You are trending for all week. Sijui nani amepatia nani syphilis. I want to give you a message from God. Whatever you touch, whatever you do, haitaenda anywhere until you come back to your initial calling. Bahati. Wachana na politics. Bro, come back and give us songs that are inspired by God. Songs that move the nation. Songs that influence youths. Barua, give us that. The most immoral people in Kenya are former gospel artists. And the rise of homosexuality in Kenya is because of you. In fact, some of you are part of it. And don't dare me. I can mention 10 of you who are homosexuals. You need to get back to God. You've turned Kenya into Sodom and Gomorrah.
Ninamwambia asante William Ruto kwa ile kazi.
Uwe recommend yaomba kwethira akiwa manto yaomba kwethira akira gospel artist
Nancy ndimeza nurona NTETO by the way ile nete mno clip eu akiwa gospel artist ibarekera industry yo ibaba utumanga ndisoka nyuma. Do you think gospel artist were iba backslide it
wategera the barabara ina gospel ja huyu mwenye this guy huwa ina nini una ndio kugera ele ya kugurangari huyu mwenye anajitaka
mwekera ile kugurangari
huyu anajita tena huyo
ewe
alikala kabela mbele wategera I was very when ngikora by the music yawe yali so eating ilikuwa ina eat music yawe day out music yawe zai wategera even ajadi andi ogo imagine anda para watoto wakolile regime newe akina toka menyoju music ni gospel artist zai na nduli theria tables have turned it's a different story right gospel kuna Unapenda mangenge sijui nini kona nande
Erigomodi
na kwa jamaa lakini utino bachangie take ndikuru
kudoka
yeah ndikuru si pastor kuga Nairobi baile kuna watu wangapi Nairobi si over millions of people in Nairobi ndiko kana iba so Erigomodi ana nini ya kusema eti gospel artist baba backslide hivyo watu mitendekero hizo wakanyuma juka personally anafaa kujitetea tena yale gorote
kilewa ingia uchangia
tabadala hizo ya gitiki wewe na
uchangia masi we Erigomodi kako judge kana.
Okay, some of the people they came to fame bamenyekana no to gospel table. Alafu they were preaching to people na kwena young people they were looking up to them sindio but now they've gone to the other world wakwambia kuina secular songs no tupone na ino kwena mbesa teka mbesa itiao iteke te ni ke gospel pesa sirio but for them iba kwenda weta na arorambi na araba mbesa sino si araka seweta kwambi na araba at least they can perform ke clubs. And it's really bad if you see someone like Bahati uko na nani na Theta Ibo na kina pia Justina the other day uko na mtu bora kirite na gospel la kuina
ache natia
they are not in tandem kapsa the dressing and the singing they are not in tandem completely kapsa they are not in tandem kapsa it's good ramto we iroke menya you are a gospel artist be that person that you're supposed to be. Like we see the now we gospel na rengi to kona there is a secular not even car there is a secular part in you. It's good someone to be the person that they are supposed to be. No kona like remain kwe paraona the gospel artist akina like Masimasika ukathikiria rwimbo rwawe na bure kirite okona uyu mtombi
na itaniria rwimbo
exactly na weta ni rumbo at least na wekira kwa wiko kare rumbo ra akuina but we baba ngere okauria we gospel kana okay secular tore kandi kutukotikira so it's good artist cloud at the end of it all no vera uma by the way
mateboteti wewe twani mbibi otoma gospel nini artist batongoda mnoke secular winge
pesa
Erigomodi ka bajaji o mako aria kana te bati gweta bura
nyamete ini
Erigomodi jana mbele gweta bura
aimbe pia atonyinya ki gospel atine trai wao gatonokia baso atonokia is not supposed to judge them at any cost
but not judging you see Erigomodi it's someone more in a followers and there are many people wenye wana si anaambiangwa the king of what comedy sindio so anytime draka want to babu ka taken seriously the minute he mentioned that kwenye youth baka yako realize aya kumbe gospel is not supposed to be like this it's supposed to be this way. It's good area.
We know the gospel artist, barabe ngipa tuine ninya verses ya Bible. Secondly, if you're called to do something, you will do it passionately.
Yeah.
If you're doing something just because you sang in kansene, it is not in you. You see? Demo nduare no ete afiche na Masimasika na baine na royo atore ine ndwimbo siawe. Again, these people are making a talent siyobo tumira the way they want to use their talent, their voices. Masimasika, it will see her ways, her lifestyle, it's all in the church. Nyawa mukwa mila. It's a no kwana Atatumba kuwa metereke na miriereke ni kanisa. We come back to our villages away from the Kubash Kinabati. We come here and see kanisa. Royo kokera kitembene na kanisa ingie mabati. Wakaiba kidogo hivyo tanga baka hiya. Wato kwa mela pastor ukhalika nipo arino class 6. Hare mwata. Ina kinyere amenya bai. Atetere theology school of Kudoma manto kanisa. Ota muibo St. Paul seminary ya Kidoma. You see there is things that we call, these are call. You see, wato trima pastor okubiri okwamila mwekoroke okwamila familia ke okwamila muretero yarate tetona tawe hat that ukamia this a man who is called to kwamile this buriya buri nyo akwamila na bahawe kinyabarabe na rangi South Africa kaina bari the whole into church nyana ubari they have taught to wana to kuina ko play keyboard manchera ya kaniseni. If you come back and look at their anabawe babe na Kenya metere yo mediere yo, you see their family ke when amwekuroke they are intact. Utero tona manto aburi ya mai utero tona manto aburi ya family ke you see oyo akwamele oyonge bishop warari na mbisa siawe sio kiss that you know there are things that you say if this is your call you will do it fully. Now whether when issues sia kwa mwekoroku you will go see a therapist bokara ande buwe matina yenu come back solve issues have an intact family. You can't lead a church in a broken marriage. It's a lie. You can't lead a church mwana ukwe na rama stasi akipiga sherehe akinyunya every kind of notwire you are leading to anatwetu no wokwa milama simasika kana Christian shusho bobo on there we've listened to their song ire nyawa inakira sino okay answer siari songs that but tu ngwa kanisa no we can sing. You see these are songs that they are dancing mode nokwelewa their beats indwimbo moko feel if you praise kinyoa kira waku no kuiva that goosebumps more yo kuiva there is a fellowship okuiva kuida jindu but the other things that people are chasing money. Remember, this is a call. This is someone that is chasing money.
So, Anto, bet about what?
Yes. Bet about what in the name of God.
Na but na wilipole okerona by the way untiomba nana ko. You know there is nyapora to kwenda badia. Again, we've set standards for them like batu to we twana wilipole akomena na girlfriend okay so onge to amubasha utorio tukaleta wewe ni gospel artist unaachana na msichana wako mara msichana wa Basti amebibia wilipole akiposti picha mbaya wewe ni bibia gospel artist hanga ukekera ngoka ina no I'm not here to judge
lakini nabo drivo sieta gospel whatever at least live for Christ alivu na
batiomba no to imbesa boswa na batiomba na bono to imbesa boswa one thing ibo ntoto kuatere wilipole okirona we uma gospel mare nyametereke kinya kumuriere kinya mwekere yore
I think to solve all this can you come up with a circle a gospel artist circle if you misbehave how chanto me na rori exactly ibarete circle by the to the kidaya batedi to
Alto kumegen to ingeto kedirere to kebwethia final touches ito kama mweri yo Valentines na wanaume ibetherete bena men's conference ruare Meru baugare kage ka baugare na
graduates
no
yes because we are supporting both child we know just because we are supporting both child
ibetherete bena men's conference babu and people supporting boy child ibeta kwa riri conference
this is not even tabeta this is a different conference for Mera tutwire kuona na Facebook it men's conference ede tariki 13 bete bate ede abeko tariki 14 this one was organized by Meru Dr. Boniface na OBC women rep. It's that we look into our society itonetekana kakaye ikaulanite itonetekana kakaye ikatete mitire miriere iboba kunyobangi ibo baraba ingebe depressed
ni onto kate iyo
kana twa riere turona re oninka repwa oninka urwatali AIDS onde mwana omwari ngatanwa oninde mwana omwari musiari kwate kwa afford pad bonto de na boyfriend bonto de na pregnancy at a young age. You see, all the community everyone focused into mwana omwari. See, but now mama na ambirete madam Kaile miana ambirete this thing way back Nare Gembe, I think Gembe Central in the
so men's conference you worry you focus it.
You focus it. Ye kedra ye continuous. Yeah, months to months talk like the elders ones. Barabe na metere scene. They nurture, they talk to others, they give them a room. No kwelewa like a room to talk na Madam Kailemia will give them resources. Dr. Boniface Merukia na Merukia yaba ya those sitawatira ira mirimo yo test.
Do you think galcha
le kwa tuite la te ate no boto ali
tanya ba botero kudo bela yo ngatu to gasiari. So you see Evra kana kaka eji komenyerwa nyaba tu batero tegero.
Ni buturo tegero.
Ale na ndo menya kaka ndero tegero ato
tele kambererwa. Atendi nyakambererwa nya safari kuya.
Ato kwa orerwa so they are supposed to balance. Kenda gutira tuike na moguku kukuragera kukienda no ba utensibeti atera one the moment bendere akumenyera mwana kana kaka eji barega
atuyatere so that atobaye chance atobaye room we see many twana twatere skuru to street ne to twingi to boys ito to konywa bangi ito to kuya ito to in every crime no kwana na kwena merimo era benio popongwa patikomba ko open up yete over give room no kwana like this is to them atone nyabo bakare azinto abateketi a man cannot cry a man cannot kama no me atwadire to ramenyeriare onini nkarira nkari yanke ora swingibio ininga ikwa therapy ininga ikwa kwa cycle beta wate ba mase na ininga ikwa vera ba madina yakwa utera ukona Haman doesn't talk he drinks too much so, atekombo kwera I am depressed tepo ntomona mwanaume ni nguvu bana ndomrome atemba kwa direct depressed
alafu re okira nkoria the nice on the maina asumanite mongase kinyawe ta ko soirwa men conference o maina asumete kitambo in the African culture kanya ke Meru culture ikwetware mudakata nirwe kudakwena something like a foster parent ka beta babo mudenya za mtu eta ona mtura ko no kubwera okay alafu mtu inyate ko maderespo atwewe ngwa enyewe ngwa tina mutaratara maisha ne yawe so the minute mbere to ndilano tunyame conference icho mbakore nyoto tedia muno can we save now this boy child rone nkero kithai mwana wata wewe ngwethira we mtu ina maisha yame
lakini tole abiri na tiari anti baba point yanto kwa kuwata
exactly etu etosho atu mtu utheri kiburu utu thena ira no murenkera mudaka kwatira mtu wengo unenkera mudaka akwatira ri mtu wengwa muchi atena yo alafu mulevi munywa bangi akariura kwenda tepo like if you want to mentor anaba kuma mapema no toyeta iba kwa comment on the conference imagine it will not work so much can we etoambire orune ndaro rolo tine ndaro mabana indipo takwate kwa the religious kwenyange mbesa the whole day
ana baba andaka akuroti nyandaka men's who are being mentored today unde na boys bakwa nke yobatana re you mean I'm going to take a hit here old man I am going to take baba kwa mentor dhai baba rambereria men's
ko irauma
are no komena at the end of the day work your perspective we ro kuona so we cancel this men talk men bendele kunyo
bendele funzo maisha
no when you have a son no kana tukwera kethera wena kana kakaiye kaure ndio wetoka swiri nyana nyakwa batiri ara kwa bishop weta kubisha kienda mwana oku
okira nkoria
because our generation I don't carry a generation as a woman I don't carry any generation
but this generation don't think you do a lot
let me be very honest kama si stop kokoye la mante oro me as a woman I don't carry any generation I don't carry any clan my sons or my brothers carry the clan they continue that generation oni nombu miange tankoro America ngasiara twana tungi America na tukaendelea kuthia tithero ro America ro America ibunto ira wa mwekururi utemusiari bonto mami atitiro kware ya are ya kwete
mwe corona leo
no are ibonto na nikwenda kwoni atere ukienda to utakana kaka yeye twetu atuye kurwake
alafu kila nkurikirike mwate timanko retu just a free question daibo kumeta men conference na ule jiwes na
men's conference
na ubo manyo skiza na ubo mweganyo okira nkorie ntomoro mora we na mawa nara akachotebo ira ke okinyila conference
ibonto kaile mia story neye ibonto you are women rep emantone ya she's going no ndakwera ambereria na ara igembe I think igembe central that's where she started na she's focusing in every sub county yes these are things that she's putting in forefront no kwena but ito tuwera kwetha tu group inua dada uretha weki inua dada iria balilian muli inua dada yeye na ada pants nara Marsabit Samburu Turkana you donate those pads having so many chamas here anto ba format online se wikidia twana tutumwa linguo se to tuliongera nukwelewa but kana kaka yeye nako tutisebo kaka ditua otano
another question aruma baibo baekite according to ages ka baekite baibo on the born into muruma
bebo on their moon
that's wrong no. Every age group has psychological needs go and separate the men utakwambera moyo ni teenager the same needs ichira na chena moyo ni find uko
teenager da ye kirasine oda teenager we yanza let me correct you one thing
no Pamela don't there is a part you miss
don't skip where we are coming from as helping kana kaka yeye with anto bakaungani we start somewhere we fix people we start groups group A babu burete gembe centro bubu eta borerure now group B bubu eta mwamba primary these are halls that boke watu anatoto
okira nkori before even continue mbibi otoma banyo bank kontrono were ko anyo bank and everything tebo mbibi otoma banyo bank do you know why they are taking?
No, I want to know.
Teenager, it's peer pressure, stress idaopitia maybe because of school, skiza, even at home. Tebo, why came mtorore age 30, the society expect them they got skills. Kuma age 20s. Tebo, mtu adira atona skills. Tebo, mostly people fall in depression at this age 30. So what about mix? At the end of it will not help. Exactly. Nenya baba 20 say we want to call baba mix, but 20 say they need to be put in a position bame they need skills at this time bakawesi time in life. So what ako mixing ni pempe na sabe na mengaona kila kitu. You are not helping them.
You are jumping don't why?
I'm talking from psychological point of view.
That is psychological part of view.
Not even me.
No, this is reality in the ground. Please this is reality in the ground. That's school for you. Let me tell you one thing. You jump a dot here, alphabet yet join. You see, you start somewhere. You don't go over Sunday and kuwa. Ana age 5 to age 9 eta ibo re. Age 13 to age 16.
Imagine it will not work.
It will work.
So you want to buy it now about women's conference.
Men's conference, you know, takanya right.
At the end of the day, men's conference ya takanya mtora kora kana kaka kamani kana aku aketira tere kanya.
Kauiza today na kwa mtu ndaike mwe antu bangia ante me abu ba usifeel ka advice. Obera tu nto mwe kwema to sing. No Valentine's Tuesday. Anto bare nate umbo bera ndaike mwe ba spend time mwe bakaita bora bakari we pressure. Nate umbo bera message yako.
Kada we na mbesa siki out. Ya kuwa tukae pressure. Eno teso ambesa no boka dia we na pressure nya onde singo.
So siki out.
Jipeleke mali unataka.
Ndio ukamto evra na kaslingi gako.
At the end of the name
mwana mwaka jo mwana mware arega ntukawe.
Thank you.
Masi nate umba kuira ntupa ba isingo nara.
Okay, before wendo mtunge. Tiende wengwa na berenya wenda mtunge. Tiende wengwa you can't give what you don't have. So okay, expect someone to love you when you yourself you don't love yourself. Feel the love for yourself first. Alafu baba isingo. No, para ba ina antu baba iki out na baba wenda. Endo ni kapsa and you keep that love. Alafu baba isingo re. No tro mbere Kenya yetu. We keep ourselves busy. Tuesday first tu kama bara Kenya.
Valentine ni yate public holiday.
Public holiday. Iwene. Intu kwa ngwe.
Utatea wenyao. Valentine ati single. Ya ndo single tote bado sapa hivi.
Anyway.
Kwa weekend.
Ya weekend at least ngeri ya nyumba kaibwa kia.
Kwa tomete makenzo.
Are.
Oyo kioba kwenda tobabe single. Ukaifosi kunguma relationships. Just because santo iba ukuma. My friend, ogerera dasta si otuko erera wengwa. Botitera bogerera kinyore ko. Atara gerera bongo. Ogerera midnight. Werera wengwa so pressure ikaupush into something era ya kureria. Na tokethireria mubango yetu ntukwerware atombewekirwa clip mheshimiwa Mporo Abori itombere kwa nyumene na rawire we akawak na government atena no kinyabore ko kinyao na itonete akiruora barabara na raura Tigania East barabara iya umbete ku upgrade ke standard
ngwegoro ya kununkere into birabi eti bizokwa kanunkara kama keke boku ke kiaga non tuika be akade maloi kako ndware loi kana ko ndware yo na mwere ngwe kunungare ndobi ya bizoku bimo ya mboku akanunkera ko wene mboku ene kariu kwanze ngwe nja mwere na mwere chairman
now yo twakinya muthia yo super sato yeto ntukwerware rikana kwata na iraba twe Saturday sionte only at Meru TV kana ke Meru TV yake kenda tomba kwezira twe kuretera makareka monki kana mantwera ya umbete kwezira ya ikareka mno ndene kiomia endelea kuwata na irabatwe YouTube Meru Digital, Facebook Meru TV Kenya na website www.merudigital.co.ke kenda umba kwezira ukithomera story monki endelea otegera Meru TV nureteri nteto cia Meru TV thaiza tucio tukubaruare inansi ndogo mwaka kiumia kiu kingi happy Valentines.
Ari no kumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ne kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kirio Meru TV tugukinya kengo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yaku betigeria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya tukimurikaga biashara enu yaku nini kengo tumenya mainge na tuinambere kwa tukirutanagiria gukiria yo kiri mubango watu baitithanie owatanite nani Faminas wakimathi ake aga kwa Meru TV.
Odina kiatho kia mbathi kana no irigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiri ana baku ba ukurubwa miaka 12 kwinama. Meru TV turejania ontu bwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uri batara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ja kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko ja jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagimia kiatho kia mwana waku na akumwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV chionere mwanya.
Uri musiari na nukuri naomba wike mwana waku sukuru enjega Chogori Milimani Academy turi aja ni untu bwaku. Chogori Milimani Academy ni sukuru ire ijekene na gukurukia ana na nkuruki kuthibia bwega kiri mathomo jao kiri secondaries na universities.
Alvin George Muremi. I scored 412 being the top scorer here at Chogori Milimani.
My name is Charlotte Truth Kinya. I got 405 marks.
Inatuanya to anaba play group PP1 na PP2 grade 1, 2 na 3. Kere bodas turinatuanya to anaba kuma grade 2 mwanka grade 8. Ukenda kungwatira mwana waku tuanya toto turingire obisines yetu tukose kiume kuma Jumatatu mwanka Juma kwambire thaiga tucherokire mwanka thakenda cia muthenya.
My name is Cyprian July. I'm the ND teacher Chogoria Milimani. Let me say that as a school, we are very, very happy for this here results.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Ndega, the director of the school. Tunaomba tena that those parents with children who are grade 3 to 8 can bring their children to school here.
Tore barabara ni alami kilomita 2.5 yake kumangeti ya Chogoria Girls wetitebo wa Makori Girls. Kumenya NTETO nkoroki turiongera thimo gukurukira 0724686799 kana 0100485152 kana oturiongera kire website yetu iria ni www.cma.ac.ke kana otutumire email kere chogoriamilimani@yahoo.com. Turetere kana gaku tukamenyithie kiroto giako na tukombithie gugikinyaniria.
Welcome to Chogoria Milimani Academy.
Chogoria Milimani Academy, hiking to excellence.
Karaja kuri na mambura twomenyaga twaigua maru kana rogoji na twona ruririmbi rwa ntogo ende bibionde ni bireketie na kuthingithuka na gukorokwa ni kagita nontobo Meru TV turiaje ni ontobo waku gutigira mambura jaku ni jagukinyira chore baku imwe kwa imwe gukorokera mitandao yetu ya Facebook na YouTube. No kwethero ni mambura jamorano, rachio, madhiko, mambura kanicha, birthday, pass out, graduation kana wekerwa dhombe kiria dhomi na binge kadhomba. Mambura jaku tukaje kiri mitandao yetu kuma mwambirio mwanka muthiana marija kuguna mokojo waku. Neu tukagemia kiatho giaku na gukua mwago jwa muthemba ugikongwera na chore hamwe na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendie na biashara gukurokera namba iji 0701-886-811. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Chukuri ya St. Agnes Maregaturi Maregama ilithatu kuma tauni ya Mekindori barabara nene ya Meru kuelekea Mekindori. St. Agnes ni chukuri ya chongairi ya kimadho moja Meru na kinya kinyangima. Na nande tukinye kinetia kinya kile utarajo mweru jua CBC na Junior Secondary School. Chukuri ya tutu na aritwa babu den school na Descoras na nyatu na arimoba kongana. St. Agnes tunareare ya garba ana na betoko nogo kadhea bate irachine. Ujukani ya buwa January 2023 kile Junior Secondary School PP1 mwaka klasi kia mugwanja botete na mbere marije to nja kuganira mubuko jwaku kumayamantu nkuruke jonge chukuru kana utringe thimugo kurukira namba ije 0725977114. St. Agnes School Marega, my education, my life, my future.
Ari no kumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ni kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kirio. Meru TV tugukinya kaingo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yaku mbitigiria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya tukimurikaga biashara inu yaku nini kaingo tumenya mainge na tuinambere kwa tukirutanagiria gukiria yo kiri mubango wa tubaitithanie owatanite nani Faminas Wakimathi ake aga kwa Meru TV.
Odina kiatho kia mbathidikana nwirigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiri ana baku bao kurubwa miaka 12 kuinama. Meru TV tureje ni ontu bwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uribatara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku, tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ya kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko ja jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagemia kiatho kia mwana waku na akomwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
Nindi chiarungama tha ithatu ndene ya Meru TV kuma aja mwankaria kunde ore ugoro bwanarwa kana utuko bwanarwa. Nimbitako Nancy Dogo ganko nekerijira to kudhuranirite methene ya Meru TV ya NTETO. Mpuru aburi kugaga tetheria gucokia uthongi bwa kithomo tigania East.
Kwa mimi nasema kwamba lazima nirundize elimu mahali ilikuwa 2013-2017. Lazima niinue elimu kwa sababu walikuwa wamekataa na elimu.
MCA roirerwa rera gwika kirikaniro na akari muthenya Jonarua.
Gucokia ni MC wetu Felix Kithinji urarungamirite ruirero rera wandi no ntoba twikira muchemani wetu ajanjo tene omba kumba kwithirwa agiumba gutwariria.
Nayo njuri njake yetheraka kuria tongeria baingi wirane bwao kiri akari.
Twatongeria betu wewe MCA wewe senator taraitha munyekini uyu ende no ntu Tharaka twina yura ya development uringaringe.
Kuruki aritua magana jana kumachukuru chia North ni bagunekete na moritani jaja pakiugaja kwamba kuthirwa jake batethia mono. Frank Munene arinacho.
Nabo aritwa kathomba gutegera magana jana kuma chukuru mwanya cha kumaja kaunti ya Meru ira nyinge chumeta gishugo bunge kia North aritwa ba form 3 na ba form 4 bedri tabakyuthurana chukuru ya kiobunde nkabone nyonto bakuigwatara moritano jakonia kosi mwanya nyonto kaingia aritwa babani bomairo bathire chukuru ciathurira kosi ira babaterete kwithomera bare kia form 4 tora tugutariro ni unisinjengo ri mwarimu moneno chukuru eje.
As a technical training institution, we discovered there is a gap when the students are in Form 4. Sometimes they are told to choose careers and it becomes a challenge to them. So today we decided to organize guidance and counseling for career purposes so that we can take them through the theory part and then expose them through the technical part.
Ligundua ya kwamba wanafunzi wengi hawana ujuzi, hawaelewi kuhusiana na taasisi hizi za kiufundi. Na ndiposa siku ya leo tukasema wacha tuje ili wajue ni yapi ambayo yanaendelea katika taasisi hizi. Jinsi ambavyo tumekuja, nimefurahi kama mwalimu kwa sababu wengi wetu hawajui ni kozi gani zinaendelea huku, na wanapomaliza kidato cha 4 kisha watoke kule nje, mara nyingi hawajui wataanzia wapi. Lakini leo wengi wamefurahi kwa sababu idara zote ambazo tumetembea na wao, wengi wamefurahi kwa sababu wanasema nitaanzia hapa na si lazima upate kiwango cha A.
Mkuruki principal Eunice Jenga gitana mbere na atarĩrĩte kinya kĩrĩa aciari nĩbwaga gwĩtaga gĩkoro kĩrĩ cukuru ici cia kĩũmbundi nyonto kĩrĩ mũtũrĩre kagitene gakabaraba ciandĩkĩte na kinya kĩrĩ kambuni iria nyingĩ ciandĩkĩte kĩrĩndĩ kĩrĩa kĩrĩ na kosi ici cia kĩũmbundi.
Initially they conceived technical training institutes at institutions of students who never passed to go to the university. But with proper information like what we are giving today, they are understanding that there are people who are going to bring up industries in our country. So we've seen quite a number of parents changing their perception.